Hey guys, today I'm going to teach you how to make a USB-C charger out of your old laptop charger. We will need an old charger, do-it-yourself USB-C connector, and some heat shrink tubes. Links in the description. Did you know that the USB-C connector is smaller than a 5-cent coin? Let's get rid of the old connector, strip the wires, and double check positive and negative wire with the multimeter. If you get negative voltage, it means the leads are swapped. Once you get positive voltage, you know the red lead wire is positive and the black one is negative. Don't forget to insert the housing and heat shrink tubes before soldering. Now we just need to solder the USB-C connector to the corresponding wires. Shrink tubes to avoid short circuit. Use a big heat shrink tube on top of the wires to protect yourself. And that's it!